Hello, we're Braillebot. We're on a mission to make every document accessible for the blind and visually impaired. Today, Braille printers usually cost around $3,000. Due to the high cost, many who seek to print Braille documents instead tediously punch each letter manually. And that's even if you can get your document printed. Today, only about 3% of the internet is accessible because most sites don't include text descriptions for images. So, we built Braillebot, a Braille printer that prints Braille at 10% the cost through a custom stamping mechanism attached to a low-cost 3D printer. In fact, this total build cost us only $15, and it's the first to use visual intelligence software to be able to read any document using AI to make text descriptions for images.
Our interface takes PDFs with images as well as text, and also Zoom links where we can use the Zoom API to get the audio transcript. So as you can see here, we're going to upload a PDF with some images, and I'm attaching the file. So once we click the submit, we will use both the Grok vision models to convert the images into descriptions, and also we'll use various sizes of the Llama text models with Grok to turn the text and format the text. And then we'll turn the text directly into Braille, as you can see here where it's visualized in this preview.
Once the text has been converted into Braille, we can convert it into individual punch locations that the printer will need to punch through. Those then get converted to G-code, which is a language that can be used to communicate with most 3D printers. And finally, those instructions get sent to the printer when we actually press print. So we're now ready to start. Now that I've pressed this button, the printer calibrates itself. We'll also calibrate the custom mechanism. And now it's ready to go and execute all those G-code commands to punch through the necessary holes.
So the way that punch works is it's using the same extruder, or the same motor that would be used on the extruder of the printer. And so what this allows us to do is have basically no extra hardware you can buy. All this uses a few 3D printed components in this print. And so the way that the punching works is the motor makes a quarter rotation, it lifts the punch up, and then a spring releases it to push it down. One of the really cool things is that depending on the sheet and how deep you want the Braille to go, you can simply adjust this thread, and now it's going to print a lighter Braille.
And finally, we always give the user control throughout the printing process of how they want their print and when they want it. The progress is reflected right on the screen, and when the entire page is done, it will give you a notification, and then you could go and replace the sheet right on our printer. All of this combines such that we're able for the first time to take any document, whether it has images or graphs, and with AI, we can describe them so that they're accessible. We can convert them to Braille, and with just $15 worth of hardware, we're able to print a very high quality Braille written document. We believe that document format or visual content should never be a barrier to access to information. And with Braillebot, sharing ideas can be as simple as pressing print for everyone.